You ever look at your life and think, this can't be it? That's because deep down you know you can do better, you want more. Every month you wait, someone launches your idea. So either you create the life you want, or you settle for watching it happen for people half as ambitious as you. You keep calling it gathering data, but you're just stuck in research paralysis. While you overthink, they execute. The crazy part, AI has made your excuses irrelevant. It leveled the field. You don't need experience. You don't need to show your face. The first side hustle you can start right now is AI-powered meme content for brands. Gen Z and millennials aren't engaging with boring 10 tips for XYZ Instagram carousels, and I say this as a Gen Z myself. What actually grabs attention these days? Memes. And not just any memes, but memes that are relatable, culturally fluent, a little chaotic sometimes, and make you feel seen. And that's a business opportunity right there. Building AI-powered meme content that helps brands speak to Gen Z, millennials, Gen X in a relatable language or manner without trying too hard. So where do you come in? You offer meme creation as a service using tools like ChatGPT to come up with witty captions and punchlines, image generators like Midjourney to create meme-style visuals that feel original, offbeat, or purposefully awkward in the best way. Canva becomes your main design hub. With this business, you are not just making jokes, you are making content that builds real connection and trust. The best part, you don't even have to be an influencer or a public creator. This works because most brands still struggle to be funny online or relatable enough to their consumers. So your job is to be that bridge who translate their dry, boring brand messaging into something more engaging. You help them show up with a bit of personality, sarcasm, and appear more human. Your ideal clients are everywhere. Small businesses with Instagram pages that look like PowerPoint presentations, coaches and brands that want to build a cool identity without hiring a full marketing team, startup founders who know they should be posting but don't know what, older generation business owners who may be targeting younger audiences with their product, or younger founders targeting older audiences. So you create memes that resonate with that audience. What you can offer is highly flexible. You can start with basic meme packs, 10 to 20 done for you memes in a specific niche. Then offer weekly meme management where you handle everything from creation to scheduling. Create custom on-demand memes for launches, product drops, trending events, or sales. And eventually build Canva meme templates that they can edit and reuse, giving your clients control while you still earn passively. All of this is money. You don't need to be on social media posting, you just need to be a consumer. That way you can know what's funny, what's trending, and what's working for other brands. Because there are brands who are already doing this, but usually they have an in-house person in the marketing team. You can literally build a side hustle and succeed with just your phone. Number 2, AI dropshipping. The classic model of dropshipping, you find a product, you list it in your store. When the customer buys, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer and you don't get involved. So the traditional way of dropshipping already allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. But now with AI in the mix, you can literally build a store, AI automated store in minutes without needing to be a great designer, marketer, or even writer, because obviously you need to write product descriptions. AI dropshipping is in a different business model, but it's an upgraded version because it automates everything. Literally, you can launch faster and scale easier. In traditional dropshipping, you do everything manually, setting up your Shopify store, picking a theme, figuring out your branding, write the copy, research products, create ads, and fulfill each order. But with AI dropshipping, you are using tools to handle 70% to 80% of those tasks. You still make the decisions, you are not outsourcing your brain, but the process is much faster, smoother, and way less overwhelming. To start an AI dropshipping side hustle, you need 4 main things: a store building tool, product research tool, order fulfillment tool, and most importantly, traffic source. Instead of manually setting up every little thing on Shopify, you can use AI tools that build an entire store for you in minutes. Build Your Store AI does that effortlessly. For only $1 per month for the first 3 months, it generates a full branded Shopify store with logo, homepage, colors, layout, product pages. With the link below, you land on this page where you're gonna get the discount. Just put your niche, choose your banners, which you can later change if you want to. You can skip this part, choose your plan, put your bank details, your address. Once you've verified your details, you come back here and paste your Shopify store link, Then install Build Your Store app into your Shopify store, and your store is ready. This alone can save you days, if not weeks, of confusion and tech stress. Next is product research. The biggest mistake people make is selling random products without proof that they are selling. But with AI tools like AutoDS Ad Spy, you can literally see what products are trending, who are your competitors, what ads are currently running for those products. You can do all of this with just $1. With this tool, you are doing product validation based on data, not guesswork. Then comes product fulfillment. With AutoDS, you can source product, but you can also automate your product fulfillment process, inventory updates, including price levels. So you don't spend time or waste time in updating stock levels, or when your supplier changes the price, you don't have to go back and manually change your products. Everything is automated. Finally, marketing. Yes, you can use AI here too. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write Instagram hooks or TikTok hooks, or plan your content for organic marketing. But AI won't do the entire marketing for you. You still need to test the product. You still need to be involved and understand your target market. For organic traffic, AI can help you generate Pinterest pin titles and descriptions optimized for search. I also suggest sending some samples to small creators to create UGC content for you. This will go a long way because you don't want your entire page or all your ads to be AI made. Potential buyers are likely to buy when they see other humans using the product. With AI dropshipping, you get to skip the parts that make most people quit. You are not wasting time on trying to build a store or find out which theme to use, etc. Third side hustle, faceless channels. There are 3 ways to go about this if you want to make money. Each option comes with a different level of risk, reward, and effort. Option 1, fully AI generated. This is the most hands-off and automation-heavy option. You let AI do everything from writing your script to doing the voiceover to editing the actual video. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write your script, 11 Labs, or any other text-to-speech voice generator for narration, and platforms like InVideo AI or Pictory to turn the script into a video. The goal here is speed and volume with little to no personal involvement. The truth, these types of channels are monetizable but risky. YouTube is cracking down on low-effort AI content channels, and usually these types of channels end up getting demonetized. But what most people do with these types of channels, they don't rely on YouTube AdSense, but instead they use these channels as a traffic source. For example, if you create a faceless channel about Stoic philosophy, you could then link a digital ebook from your Amazon or Gumroad or a printable product. This is perfect for anyone with a low budget, or you're just someone who wants to learn the YouTube game while being incentivized. But remember, you still need to put effort and make sure that your AI generated content is of high value, because your content does not exist in a vacuum. The algorithm is made by people, or people make the algorithm. So you have to post something that people would want to watch. Because if no one watches your content, then no one is going to even see the product that you are selling, so you're not going to make any money. Option 2, AI assisted. This is a sweet spot for most people. You let AI help you, but you are still in control of the quality. You can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm or outline your script, but then you edit or rewrite to make sure it feels authentic and actually watchable. Usually with this method, you balance AI with human effort. If your script is mainly AI assisted, then you edit yourself or get a real person to do voiceover. Some of the best niches for option 2 are self-improvement, mindset, success habits, health, and wellness. These niches allow you to blend AI research with your personal editing or voiceover. Option 3, minimal AI. This is the most premium approach, and it's the most profitable long term. Here you do most of the work or hire someone else to do it, but you only use AI to enhance the process. The downside, it costs more to start. You either need to have capital to hire freelancers, or you must have time to do everything yourself. And you have to create high value, so it takes a lot of time, because only the type of content that can attract high quality brands even get high retention. Some of the best niches for option 3 are finance, deep dives like crime, psychology, business case studies, tech, AI reviews, etc. With option 2 and 3, you don't need to go viral to succeed. In fact, in some cases, option 3 is even better than being on camera. For instance, on this channel, I barely get 30,000 views despite the value of the content, time, and energy I put into this channel. But one of my faceless channels averages around 60k and I don't even put half the time. But that's because I have help. I don't do everything there. But the point is, financially, it would make sense to focus mostly on just faceless channels or faceless businesses. But by now, I'm sure some of you know this channel in particular is not just for financial gain. I like the work I do here. I think it's of impact, even though sometimes I lose money when I create here. But I have my faceless businesses to fill my pocket and this to fill my human, emotional, I don't know what to call it. All these side hustles are profitable and scalable because AI does the most work.